Okay, let's look at matrix, merchandise, and miniscule. So matrix, noun, the culture, society, and political world in which things come about. Wolverhampton was the matrix of philosophy. This is the centre of thought, the centre of something, whether thoughts, ideas, actions, philosophy, religion, etc. Each city is known for something. Each place, each person, each community. So you could say, Shanghai is the matrix of finance. Shanghai is the matrix of finance. And then we got Shenzhen is the matrix of technology. Very good. Wuhan is the matrix of the military. Yeah, and Beijing is the matrix of politics. The center of something, where the culture, society, or political world come about from. How cool is that? And merchandise. So noun, things to be bought and sold. We have a lot of merchandise in the shop. Books are an easy merchandise that can be sold to most people for a good price. How cool is that? We have a lot of merchandise in the shop. Very good. Very good. And verb, to promote something by putting its image on things to sell. So you want to sell shirts, for example, put a logo, an image from a company, an image that is of a company, yeah. And then it can sell more. Then the shirts can be sold easier and quicker. Yeah. The logo can be merchandised easily. The logo can be merchandised easily. The classic M, the swoosh, and beyond. Put that on a shirt, on a hat, on a glass, anything, and it sells. How cool is that? So miniscule, adjective, something very small. Miniscule, very small. The insects are minuscule and difficult to see. The house is minuscule from the window. Yeah. The insects are very minuscule because they're so tiny. So tiny. Bacteria are very minuscule. You need a telescope. It's very minuscule. You need a telescope to see them. How cool is that? Very minuscule, okay. Very good, yeah. How cool is that? So matrix, the center of something. Merchandise, things to sell, maybe with a logo on there, or a name, or a brand. A miniscule, very small, very tiny. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.